Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to find the responses to our Google Forms. Start at drive.google.com, and once you're signed in, go find the form that your students or others have responded to. Click to open it up. Once it is open, you will see that it always opens on the questions page. In order to see what the answers were that people gave, you need to click on responses. When you click on responses, it will start at the summary page. On the summary page, it will first give you insights in the form if this form was set as a quiz with automatically graded multiple choice questions. So the first chart that it gives you is the total points distribution as a chart, as well as the average, median, and range of the points. Following that, for a quiz only, it will tell you what the frequently missed questions were, and then it will go on to give you a chart for each multiple choice question, showing in green how many people answered correctly, and in gray, the incorrect responses. So that's essentially what the summary page does for you. On the question page, it will allow you to look at the responses to each question. And again, if it's a quiz, it will start with question 1 and tell you how many people answered correctly, and then how many responses came in incorrectly. It will continue to do that for each question as you go through the form. Now, if your form is not a quiz, you will still see these charts. They simply won't be color-coded for right versus wrong answers. The next area we're going to look at is the area called individual responses. What this one will do is take you through each person's form one by one. In this case, I would be able to scroll through all 92 people and see their entire form in one screen. So once you click on it, you're going to see that you can see how this individual person answered each question in order if you would like to do that. One other place that you can get responses is by clicking on the response spreadsheet. Google Forms will automatically create this spreadsheet for you, and this can be useful if you would like to manipulate the data that comes in from the form in any way. So all you have to do, again, is once you're in the Responses tab, just click in the upper right corner where the icon is for Google Sheets. Another nice feature is to know that if you go to the Responses tab, you can turn off the form so that it is no longer accepting responses. The 3 dots are always an indication that there are more things you can do. It's like your magic click here, there's more button. So click on that and notice that this is where you can get email notifications every time the form gets a new response. This is helpful if you're going to have the form out and available to people for an extended period of time, and especially if there's something you need to do every time someone responds. This also will allow you to choose a different spreadsheet into which the responses can go. You can unlink the form from the current spreadsheet, which can be helpful if you would like to use the same form again with a new group of people. You can download all the responses as a spreadsheet. You can print all of the responses, or you can delete all the responses. So all of that happened from the 3 dots menu. And that's how you get your answers to a Google form.